Hello, this is an explanation video from Monday, March 1st. So we are still in Unit 1. Okay, so you're going to click here, Unit 1, Power of Goals. And you will come down to our new module, Module 2, March 1st through 5th. And you'll click on Day 1, March 1st. Okay, so let's start with the sync. This is what we'll do in our Zoom session today. So on the agenda, we will do our textbook, page 8, part 1, A, B, and C. And that is a reflection and previewing vocabulary to prepare for reading. And then we'll look at the reading in the textbook, page 8 through 9. We will preview the reading and review the elements and look at the reading strategy, identify the main idea. And then we will do a grammar practice where we use gerunds and infinitives in small groups. So let's look at each of these activities. So this is page 8 in the textbook. We're going to do part 1, A, B, and C. This is a kind of preparation for the reading activity. Then we will look at the reading, page 8 through 9, part 2, A. So this is the text, all of this here. And then B is talking about the main idea. So that's actually going to be part of the async activity, but we're going to kind of preview it in class and just kind of look at it a little bit so we can prepare to do that async activity. And then this is the grammar activity in breakout rooms. Okay, so what you're going to do is with your partner, ask your partner these questions, and then your partner will answer them using either a gerund or infinitive. So for example, what are you interested in doing in your free time? Okay, so notice in the question, interested in doing. So the answer is going to have a gerund, right? Because the question has a gerund. The verb is interested, and then the gerund is doing. So the answer might be something like, I am interested in exercising in my free time, or I am interested in learning English in my free time. But either way, you want to use a gerund in your answer. Second one is also a gerund. The third one will be an infinitive, because if you notice, the question has like to do, and to do is the infinitive. So you will use the same type of, you'll use another infinitive in the answer. And you'll do the same with all of these. So that is the last sync activity for today. Let's take a look at the async. Okay, we have a Nearpod on gerunds and infinitives. This is a new Nearpod. It's more information to follow up the Nearpod we did last week. So gerunds and infinitive. This is start off with a review from last week. Okay, list common verbs that get gerunds or infinitives. A quick quiz for you to take, 10 questions. But anyway, and it gives you your score, and then more information, a short video, and then another quiz, and then a little bit more information about gerunds, and then another video, and then an activity. So there's a lot of good information and activities for practice in this Nearpod. Please do your best to complete it. Okay, also for the async is the textbook activity. We're going to read this article on page 8 through 9A, and then you're going to do part B, which is to identify the main idea. And you'll use the strategies we discussed during our class discussion during the Zoom. And then finally, the textbook, page 9, part 3B. We're going to locate details. Okay, so you're going to say, for example, the first one, I want to achieve this goal by next summer. So you have to decide, is that an example of specific measurable, achievable, relevant, or time-bound. And write the answer here in the blank. And then you'll read each of these sentences and decide if it's which one of these it is, and then write the answer in the blank. And as always, upload a picture of your completed assignments here in the comments section. Okay, so that is it for today, Monday, March 1st. Thank you so much and best of luck.